There's nowhere to hide. Your love waiting me there forever. Hey! Anymore. Stay in my arms.
Whoa, wait a minute, man.
What's up YouTube, it's Chris.
And Uni.
And today we're back with a new person. Her name is Vanny. She's gonna be doing the cover I Have Nothing.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Shakespeare. Keeping it 100. Y'all already know how we do here, man. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Click that post notification bell. Make sure to like, share, and comment down below.
Whoa, wait a minute, man.
Nothing if I don't have you. Make me close from a door. I don't want anymore.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and I am a holistic vocal coach.
I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
About to do new people. I know there's, I think another girl you guys commented. We're gonna do her soon. Keep commenting more comments, new people, Blackpink, whatever.
Share my life, tell me why, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you.
I didn't want to pause the video because every time I was about to pause it, she was about to hit like a specific specific note. No. So I didn't want to pause it just yet. But if you've heard the original to the song,
I'll never ask for too much.
It looks like she's singing cursive.
Just all that you are and everything that you do.
No, she has a great voice. She has a great voice. That high note, though, that was crystal clear. That was strong.
I don't really need to look very much farther. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I will hold it back again. This person inside.
Tones, her pitch are always so spot on and so perfect. Vanny has a voice where I don't care if her English isn't perfect. I don't care if her pronunciations of certain words are not.
Can run from myself. There's no one to hold. Don't make me close from a door.
Her voice is insanely good. She's
I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms, if you're there. Or must I imagine you're there?
Ooh, that was a lot of good stuff happening there, Vanny. I absolutely love that. I mean, it's one of those songs that is just...
Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing.
Rest in peace to Whitney Houston, first of all. I have nothing. This from the Bodyguard. When I heard this song, man, I said, they put some production. Production went into that song, man. And this is Vanny. Is that right? Aunt Vanny? Vanny right here, man. She gonna sing Whitney Houston is a cover, All Eyes on Me. So they asked for this in the comments. Oh my. Watch.
Song, and definitely not singing, you know, Whitney Houston is Whitney Houston.
Right to the heart of me, you bring down my walls with the strength of your love.
She can make different choices, like doing a different
melody. I never knew love like I've known it with you. Memories survive
where you don't expect it, just a little bit, just a touch. Still be loyal to the original song, right?
Oh, what I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much farther. I don't want to have to go.
What? Oh, snap. I wasn't expecting this. Hold up. I got to reposition on this one. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we might be witnessing some greatness here. Let me back that up. She came out the gate strong on that one.
When you don't follow, I will hold it back again. This passion inside can run from my side. There's nowhere to hide.
Oh my God. No. You got to be kidding me right now. Hold up. I mean, I know y'all said she could sing, but good Lord. And here's the thing. She's restraining her voice. She's not singing full tone. Because you can tell in her, when she does her mouth, she's like, she's holding back. Young lady, young lady, young lady. The gods in heavens have blessed your vocal cords. Oh my God. Whoo, Lord. Let's go. Young lady, you've been blessed by the angels. You are singing like an angel. I guarantee you, when you daggone recorded this video and this song, Whitney Houston herself was looking down over the heavens walls, down on upon you, and she was grinning from ear to ear. You have made Whitney Houston very, very proud. I've heard a lot of people try to redo this song, and none of them come nowhere close to Whitney Houston. But you,
I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more down.
this is insane. What? That's mind-blowing. Man, I don't know what y'all be putting in y'all's coffee over there in Indonesia, but y'all be doing something because y'all got a lot of talent over there. You got young kids playing guitars. You got Libertad playing like the greatest of all time. You got this lady right here just singing like an angel. Man, we need to step our game up over here in the United States. We slipping. Y'all are running amok. I mean, y'all are just killing the game. Come on.
Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me.
You go, girl. Montap. Monte. Man tap. Hey, I don't like her voice though, man. Nope. I don't like her voice because it gave me too many chills and too many goof bumps, man. It made me feel a little something. So I don't like that.
I have nothing if I don't have you.
I don't like when somebody come off that strong and powerful and all that prettiness. I don't like it. No, I don't like that. I don't like her voice. All these goosebumps I said, woo, girl, you sing. That girl sung. She sung that song. That's what she did. She's a singer. Good gracious, man. Got me all emotional over here. I don't like that. I don't like it. I have never in my life. She from Indonesia. I never in my life heard something. She nailed that bad boy. I have nothing if I don't have you. Yeah, we're going to do a competition, me and her. We're going to do you. I can't. God dang, boy. If I could play some instruments, but I can't sing. Not like that. Look here, man. I'm going to get on up out of here. Hey, y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell them Mike Cross told you so. Peace out.